Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone overheating issue after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. I will request to my all friends, please do not skip any part of solution, so you have do not miss any steps, so you have not fixed this issue. So first of all, you have clear background app refresh. So you have uh, then you have use some apps from photos or camera or app store. So you have clear background from here, so you double tap on home button, so you have clear background apps. Then you have restart. You have then other solution. You have uh, background app refresh. So you have click on setting, and then you have click on general. I have background app refresh, so you have turn off. I have already turned off. Then you have should be turn off this option. When you use the low power mode, he is already automatic turn off. And then other solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have volume up button, volume down button. Press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. Then second solution, you have update all apps. Then you have click on app store. Then you have click on app icon. uh, then you have some seconds wait. In my mobile network problem, so not open the app store. Then you have open the app store. Then you have click on app store id. Then you have show scroll down. Then you have update all app from here. Then you have check battery health. So you have open the setting, and then click on battery. Then you have click on battery health. Then you have check the battery health from here. So you have reset all setting, and then display location service. So you have open the privacy, and then display location service disable. I have already disabled. So other solution, reset all settings. So you have open the setting again, click on general, scroll up. Then you have click on transfer or reset. Then click on reset all setting on iPhone. Do not lose any data from your iPhone, only reset all setting. Then other solution, you have network setting. So you have second number option is reset network setting. You same again, open the setting, click on general, click on reset iPhone. Then you have click on reset network setting, and reset network setting iPhone given a passcode. Then you have given a passcode, and then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.